Hey peeps, Friday, October the 4th, 4:34 in the p.m. So, I'm getting ready to 4:35. Fabulous Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Yay! Oh, I'm getting ready to open my packages that's been sitting here for, I think, since yesterday. And so, I have just got through eating the rest of my fish and salad. And was eating on some chips, y'all. Alright, I'll be back. Let me go ahead and open this up and we're going to see this together. How about that? So here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on. I got a picture. Oh, I hope this could fit in my refrigerator. I bought a picture for the hubby creamer. I'm going to get another one for his orange juice. Oh, let's see. Can this fit in the refrigerator? It's kind of tall. I just got to clean my bathroom. Y'all, that's my shower chair. And mopping. Oh. Okay. Oh, I probably have to sit on the other side. Yeah, they have to sit on this side. But his creamer is right here. Huh. And this is like, let's say 89 ounces, 60. I ain't got my reading glasses on. I want to get one for my prune juice. Because this on my belt all the time. 64 ounces. It says Splendor. Oh, see that? Y'all in the refrigerator. Oh, I think it's coming through. It's by her Amazing Abby. So his orange juice, his creamer will end up on this side. Don't do that. Don't be that disrespectful. I want to get one for his orange juice. That's at 89. Oh, that's 96. Why everything is just... But this 64. I think it's gone. And that's 64. But they short. This tall. Like, I don't want to have everything on this side though. Oh, this man ring stuff. I might have to like move it like that. Yeah, like right here. He used this normally his side though. And his orange juice. Huh. I can't even bring it down no more either. Like, it's plastic though. I'm gonna let that. I'm think on that. Yeah. Could it even fit over here? It can't even fit right there either. It's too tall. I should have measured the height, huh? I think the next one, if I get one for his orange juice and one for my prune juice, well, my stuff go on this side. These cool, but I was trying to get some for his creamer. That's a 64, and this is 64, and this is a 96. Oh, okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna cut you off making all that noise. So, or I could use it for something else on my side. We'll see. And let's see what else I got. Let's see. Got me some headbands. And I got me some more of my B vitamins. These are the ones I take. Yep. Come on, girl. Anyways, it's all the bees. Yep. Why she acting like that? So I got that. I don't order me some toothpaste. This is my first time trying baking soda, herbal mineral toothpaste. Raphael. Fresh mint. You need cleaning? What's the problem? New Zealand. So I think that's it, peeps. So I'm finna open my headbands and let y'all see how they look. Let me see if I like them. So these the ones I got. So these ones I got like these. Thought they'll be a little tighter. Want some wide ones. I like all the colors. And I'm going remind me of my socks and stuff. So these the ones I got. I'm gonna get some more. So I got my vitamins, got me some toothpaste, my headbands, and this. Even if I don't use this one for its creamer, I'll probably use it for something on my side. It could be probably for my prune juice. Yeah, and I'll try to find another one. Alright. Y'all, I ain't started with my cricket yet. Anyways, y'all already know. I'll see you when I see you. Peace. Hey, peeps. It's 11:28 in the a.m. October the 5th, Saturday. Simple, satisfying Saturday. Well, I did some raking, sweeping, blowing. Been on my porch, y'all. I had these shoes on my house. I cleaned my screen door on the front. I got to do one on the back. So, you get ready to put my paper down. I swept the porch. And I got my mosquitoes came from y'all. Last weekend it was the bees, nasty mosquitoes. But it's cool. So, this how this look. I got an appointment. So, okay, so they in, y'all. That's what they looking like. The little fall colors. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. So it's 7. I'm gonna redo them two pots next summer. Buying all new flowers. I'm just redoing them. I got a different look now I want to do for that. My little pots. Change that out. That's in the way right there. Where y'all at? That's in the way. But yeah, the little pot situation. I'm gonna change that out next summer. Let's close it up, y'all. I'm tired. Let me go in the house. Y'all could have gone on in the house.
Okay.
I'm done.
Right.
So yeah, peeps. Time for me to vacate the premises. It look nice. The leaves are falling. That's for sure. So, when I cleaned my screen door and stuff. So there's that. So I got her done. This got green and I ain't even know that, but it's fine. It was early in the morning, y'all. Anyways. It's cause I ain't like, I don't feel like talking about it, y'all. I'm tired. But they in the ground, everything. I think I'm done with everything now. So only thing I gotta do is clean my back porch screen door. And it need sweeping and blowing and all the things back down the back porch. I'm gonna take my curtains down soon off the back porch. And I'm gonna change out my white curtains. I know I'm gonna change the white to red. I'm gonna do that sometime this month. You know, so I can have like that cozy feel in here. I always aim for cozy, but I like the white for the summer because it be light, summertime, the sun, but it's gonna be getting dark early, and I like the red because it just give it a different vibe. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So on that note, y'all already know. I see you when I see you. Peace. Hey, peeps. Almost 12:30 in the p.m. October the 6th. Sunday. Sunday? Simple Sunday. Let's say it was Saturday. Y'all was fooling with my cricket yesterday. I gotta watch a few videos today because I ran into some little issues. But I still got it plugged up. And it's right here. Yep. I'm gonna throw this way. Yep, and right there. I was doing things. I just got in, y'all. Let's go out. Came on my cricket box right here. We got wild. Ooh, hey, that bird.
You smell it?
Ooh, yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with that.
I got the hubby some water. I got me a small one. This one is like, I normally get the 33. This is the 23. And I made me a smoothie this morning. I gotta wash that out. Thank you, sweetie. And got him some vinegar. We got some bananas. I made some more baby spinach. This is the hubby leftover Chinese food. And got some pizza. We got us some pizza today. So when baby Rain, child number 9, come over, this is what we got, y'all. Y'all take a seat. So I got me a medium chicken and mushroom. Oh, I had to taste for. Okay, let's close back up. And that's coming for our stuff. And then they got a party size. Let's see. I think we go this way. Look. This Papa T's got the party size. Sausage and cheese. You could eat you some now, babe?
Oh, yeah, let me get this one.
So that's all I got for us for the eat this time. Next time I might cook. I don't know. I gotta see. If I do, it'd be some corn and cheese. We'll see if I feel like cooking next Sunday. But this all I got. Really went out just to get the pizza, but I needed some more bananas. I ain't got no more bananas. I needed some more water. The hubby ain't got no more water, and he take it to work. My water getting low. Did I tell y'all about the hubby? I got the container for his creamer. So I'm gonna get like, I was trying it out to see how it worked. I'm gonna start making some labels. But this the hubby creamer, and you have to go on this side now. So I'm switching stuff around. I'm gonna get a container for this, for his orange juices. Cause this stuff I do buy all the time. I do buy prune juice. I do buy him orange juice. And I do buy this. And this is a 96. So I'm trying to find one for this. And it's 96. And this orange juice is like, okay. The orange juice, where you at? It's like 89. So I'm shopping around and everything. Maybe bring the roast beef. Got egg rolls. Came to my training for yesterday. So I'm just starting trying to make my labels, y'all. I'm going to change all that out. Yeah, I might put this in one of my. I think I got another bottle like this for this. We'll see if I feel like doing it. We don't shame. Anyways, that's me. Now on OOTD. We left about 10 this morning. And it's very, very sunny, y'all. So, and I'm very, very, very tired. Because I got up like at 7. So this me. Yeah. I got my headband on. It's like this. I got my little blonde. I got this dress on. I feel like it was on backwards. I feel like what the what? It was nippy this morning. So I got this dress on. It's cute. And I had that jacket on because when we left it was cool. And I had my white shades because it's very sunny out there. This rain stuff I washed. I got my anklet on. I got my little rings on. And I got my little gummy bears, white gummy bears. Yep, so this me. Y'all, I'm so tired, but I'm full with my cricket today. Yeah. I did it came with instructions, so I followed that. And I printed out snack. I cut it and everything, like put the transfer tape on it and did all that. But what I'm having trouble is I just don't even know how to do it. Like I was trying to, I typed up sweet and creamy creamer, but I hit it on one line, but I wanted on 2, like sweet and creamy or something like that. I forgot how I had it set up, but I saved it. And when I was getting ready to print it, like cut it, it was just cut sweet and creamy. I'm like, where the other words go? So I don't know. I gotta figure that part out. It wasn't gonna print the whole thing. It was only printing some of it. I had moved it up under it, but it wasn't gonna print it all. It was just printing one part of it. I'll figure it out, y'all. So yeah, I'll probably do that today, and I'm hot. So I just wanted to show y'all the pizza. And yep. When I figure it out and get it together, I'll let y'all see it. And them shoes I had on my shoes. My blue shoes go with my dress. Oh, they go good. Cute to you. Y'all see it. And that's it. I've been having just getting up early for like 3-4 days. I'm thinking, but y'all already know. I'll see y'all when I see you. On that note, peace.